and peeps, so ngayon, ibabike check po natin ang Giant Trance 2 built by Kuya John. Ayan po, okay.
Hear the sound of the bells when the Lord gone, and the boys unleash hell when the war's on. Bloodthirsty when the dogs put their paws on. You gon' tell them how they go a little.
Start po tayo sa cockpit, meron po tayong Easton stem. Yan po, Easton stem, 40mm. At meron po tayong control tech handlebars. Yan. Tapos po sa fork naman po, meron po tayong Fox 34 float. Yan. Fox Factory 34. Ang rotors po natin ay ito, Shimano 203 rotors. Shock. At SLX na brake calipers, dual piston brake calipers, at SLX brake levers, front and rear, at Dior XT na shifter, 11-speed shifter. Ang dropper post po natin ay Shimano Ascend dropper post. Yan. Internal cabling at physic na saddle. Yan, sobrang komportable po nan. At baba po tayo dito, meron po tayo Fox Float DPS rear shock at Shimano SLX cranks at Shimano Saint na pedals. Yan, preferred po yan ni Kuya John kasi daw po sobrang tibay po ng Shimano Saint. At yan, Dior XT na drivetrain, Shimano Dior XT, 11 to 46 cassette, and for maximum range pedaling. At Shimano SLX calipers, rear calipers. Ayan, Shimano 203 rotors for rear. Ayan. Giant Trance frame, Alux size small. This one natin ay Giant PAM2 at tires na Schwalbe Magic Mary sa front. At ang rear tire po natin ay Schwalbe hands down. Kita naman po natin. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. Thank you to Kuya John for lending us his bike for bike check. And thank you Kuya John, and peace out.